Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Norma Sarah Katrina with metric number 284189. So today I will talk about Lotus case. So first thing first, the fact of the cases. So there's a collusion occur on the high seas between French vessel, which is Lotus, and Turkish vessel, which is Bozkurt, on 2 August 1926. So at that moment, the Bozkurt from Turkish has been sank. So that incident had to 8 Turkish nationals' life who on board of the Turkish vessel. So 10 survivors, including the captain of Bozkurt, were taken to Turkey. At that moment, a French, which is Demons, and the captain of Turkish ship was charged by the Turkish court for manslaughter, and Demon has been sentenced to 80 days of imprisonment and fined by the court in Turkey. So French government made protests of it, and they request the Turkish to release Demon or transfer the case to French court. So both countries agreed to refer this dispute under the jurisdiction of PCIJ. So alright, next we are talking about the issue that needs to be decided by the court in relation to international custom. So the first one is France has alleged that jurisdictional question on collusion cases are rarely heard in criminal cases. It is because state had to prosecute only before the flag state. The second one, France argued that this absence of prosecution points to be a positive rule in customary law on collusion. Okay, so lastly, the decision made by the court. So the court held that Turkey and also France both have the jurisdiction in respect of the whole incident. So in the other word, there's jurisdiction was concurrent. So the state may exercise its jurisdiction over the ship in the same way as it exercises its jurisdiction over its land. It is because the court held that a ship in the high seas is assimilated to the territory of flag state. So the court acquitted that Turkish vessel to Turkish territory. The offence product is effect on the Turkish vessel and consequently in a place assimilated to Turkish territory in which application of Turkish criminal law cannot be challenged. So the court also said that a state would have territorial jurisdiction even if the crime was committed outside his territory. So as long as a constituent element of the crime was committed in that state.